let's take care of deleting post in this video. So we need to generate that button and its route. That's what we're gonna do. So rather than saying delete right here, we're gonna have an anchor tag, button danger, and this is gonna go to a route that we're gonna create, and this is gonna be the post.delete route. And right here we're just gonna say delete, or we should probably call this trash, because when we delete, it's not gonna be deleted. Okay, so trash, and it's going to this route. If we refresh, we're gonna get an error because that route doesn't exist. So let's create the route. So web.php, we need to create a post.delete method right here. So this is not going to be post store, it's going to be post/delete. And remember, before we delete, we need to identify what we are deleting. So we're passing the ID. And right here, we're going to have delete or destroy, the way it is in our post controller. So in our post controller, the method is, let's check it out. Okay, it says destroy, so it's destroy. So web.php, and this is not going to be post.store, it's going to be post.delete. So things like we are set, but in our index.blade, we need to pass that parameter. So we'll say ID, and this is going to be post ID. So in our post controller, we need to actually delete that post. So we're going to say post equals post model and find the ID, and then we'll just say post delete, and we'll just set a session, and this is gonna say success, your post or the post was just trashed. Okay, then next we need to return the user back. So we'll say redirect the user back. Okay, everything should work well. So I'll refresh, and that's our trash button. If I click trash, method not allowed exception, something I did. So our destroy method right here is a get, and obviously this should not be post, this should be a get request. Okay, so let's refresh, and if I click trash, you see the post was just trashed and the post is gone. But let's check our database if that post is actually there. So I'll log in and I'll get into the blog, and right here for the post table, I still have 2 records in the database. And look at this, when we are searching all the posts, one of them is null and one of them is not. And for our soft delete, remember we are using the soft delete thread. So it's gonna search the table. Where do we have null and where do we have a deleted at timestamp? So right here we discover that this first post has a deleted at timestamp and this one doesn't. Okay, so the database, so our eloquence is gonna find just those ones that have not been deleted. Okay, so we can go ahead and delete this one permanently, but for now we have it deleted from here and it's been trashed, and we'll go ahead and create a trash so that we can see those table rows that have been trashed but not deleted. So if we want to have a post but not publish it, we can trash it. Okay, so this is the trash button and we see that everything works. So just a recap on what is going on. We have our table, the create post table, and this create post table has a soft deletes column, and this soft deletes column generates a deleted at field, and this deleted at field is either null or a timestamp, and it's a timestamp because in our post.php we said that Laravel should treat it as a date right here. So when we are fetching data from our database, Eloquent or the post.php is gonna check out, does this field in the database, the deleted at field, is it null or does it have a timestamp? If it has a timestamp, it means that the user has trashed this row. But if it doesn't have a timestamp, it means that it's still null and it's not deleted. So there we have it. We can now trash post in our application, and that's how it works. We can go ahead and also trash this one. The post was just trashed.